Lazy cooks use concentrated cubes and chemical tasting enhancers to make their stocks. Stocks are essential for both professional and home kitchens. Diligent and proud cooks make their own stocks from scratch, and I think that's the right way to do it. You will always need a good stash of stock in your fridge, no matter what savory dish you're thinking about. Now that we know how to properly cut and blanch our vegetables, let's find out how we can make a delicious vegetable stock. We start again with a pot of cold water, about 2 liters of water for about 500 grams of mixed vegetables. Equal amounts of carrots, celery sticks, parsnip root and onion, cut into mirepoix, fairly equal chunks, into cold water. One dent of garlic, but you have to be careful. Every time you're using garlic, you have to check it and degerm it. What does that mean? Cut it in halves and check it for the green sprout in the middle. That's toxic. That's gassy. You have to take it out before you're using your garlic. And that's really, really simple. The tip of your knife, just take it out and get rid of it. Then back to the stock. Just crush your garlic, throw it in the water with the rest of the vegetables. Now we need one more thing. It's a bouquet garni. It's what we use for the fine taste of our stock in the end. What do we have here? It's 1 layer of leeks, 1 stick of celery, 2 sprigs of fresh thyme, 1 small bay leaf, and a few stalks of fresh parsley. Put them all together in the layer of leeks, roll it and tie it with a bit of string. This is how you can put it all together in your stock. You don't have to look for the herbs after that. Bring it to a boil and then lower the heat and simmer for about 30 to 40 minutes until all the vegetables are soft. We do not add oil or salt to our vegetable stock. Stocks are usually part of further preparations. They are sometimes reduced, that means heavy boiling for enhancement of the flavors. At the same time, when grease becomes boiling into the stock, it's really hard to take it out at the end. A greasy sauce is, for instance, a bad mark for a kitchen that works at international standards. Whenever you make a stock, you need to skim everything that comes up to the surface while it simmers. Even if it doesn't contain salt or grease, you need to take out every foamy scum that comes to the surface. Otherwise, your stock will be cloudy. When all your vegetables are boiled, when they are soft, that means your stock is ready, so you need to strain it. Use a big bowl, a fine sieve, and also a bit of cheesecloth or muslin in order to get rid of any small particles your stock might contain. As simple as that. Just take it off and strain it. Keep your boiled vegetables for a cream soup that we'll talk about in our next video. But now, let's see how our stock is. In the end, it should be clear and nice. It's clear, it smells freshness, and now you can use it in further preparations. It's a good vegetable stock.